Hey people, if you're new here, my name is Kiki and I've been stuck at bra strap length for the past 2 years due to breakage and split ends. So this year I'm solely focused on doing the least to my hair in terms of styling. So that means a lot of protective and low manipulation styles. Today we are doing a braided style that I like to wear for work throughout the week and then take down at the weekend. I started off on clean hair and section off the first quarter of my hair. With some curl cream, I apply it to the section and then go in with some homemade flaxseed gel. I've been using this a lot this year to pre-detangle with and as a gel for styling also. It has some great benefits such as it leaves the hair soft, smooth and more manageable. It enhances curl definition if you want to wear wash and go. It also strengthens the hair strands and reduces breakage and split ends over time. Then just make sure the flaxseed is distributed well throughout my hair using my tangle teaser brush, and then I begin cornrowing. Now I'm still practicing my cornrow technique, so if you have any tips for me, please drop them in the comments. My parting is absolutely awful. Oh my god, I didn't even notice this until the video, but never mind because I usually wear this in a low bun anyway. Just finishing off the cornrow and then that is the first section done. Moving on to the next section, I split my hair directly down the middle for this one. We're going to speed things up because in terms of the application of products, I just do the exact same thing throughout. It gets a little bit trickier to braid once I get to the back because I haven't yet learned how to position my grip towards the back, so I just turn my head to the side and hope for the best. This started to get a little messy with the products, so I had to grab my microfiber towel to stop it dripping everywhere. I actually should do this on dry hair, but to be honest, the blow drying time just extends the wash day way beyond the time I want to spend on it, so here we are. I think in future I'm probably going to do either the blow dry beforehand or after because I think I'm getting to the point where it's not drying and I'm leaving it overnight wet, and that is definitely not good for my hair. Yeah, on to section 3. Again, the parting starts from the middle of my head but goes down diagonally across, but this time the back actually ends up in the right place. I do use my slick brush to get it as smooth as possible before braiding, and it does help considering the flaxseed doesn't have much of a hold on it. Don't mind me just looking in the mirror to check that everything is going in the right direction. My tangle teaser without the handle is literally a godsend, and I would recommend if you haven't tried this one yet. Last section, it didn't actually take me too long to do this style, to be honest. Probably about 45 minutes, and it does last about 4 to 5 days depending on how much you can tolerate a bit of frizz. To make this last longer, I would advise using a stronger holding gel and even blow drying beforehand, but like I said, I'm trying to maximise length retention, so I don't want to be applying too much heat on my hair every single week. Once we are all done, I go in with my Blue Magic grease and apply it to the ends of my hair. I also apply a Scalp serum that I received as part of a collab, but I really like the tingly sensation it gives me. After that, I'd put a do-rag on to set the style, and that is it basically. I usually wear these Monday to Thursday and I take it down on Friday and then have it out in a braid out over the weekend. Then I will do my wash day again on the following Sunday. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to keep up to date on my hair growth journey, and I will see you in the next one.